everyone. In the previous video, we have discussed in detail about the human rights and its kinds and the characteristics. आज के लेक्चर में हम जानेंगे कि ह्यूमन राइट्स कैसे और कौन से इनकॉर्पोरेटेड हुए इन द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया. So let's begin. Before the adoption of Indian Constitution, UN Charter adopt हुआ था in 1945 on 24th October. India being a country who signed and ratified the Charter, the UDHR, जो अडॉप्ट किया गया था by General Assembly of the UN on 10 December 1948. So India being an original member of the UN and a member state which voted for the adoption of UDHR on 10 December 1948 could not be obvious of all these developments. So जो Indian Constitution था that was conspicuous by its absence of the words human rights. It is difficult to say whether this omission was deliberate or just incidental. As we know कि preamble हमारे इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का प्रियम्बल है जो अकॉर्डिंग टू इट स्टेटेड विद कि इंडिया इज अ सोवरेन सोशलिस्ट सेक्युलर एंड डेमोक्रेटिक रिपब्लिक. इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो इन डिटेल आई विल provide you the short note on the preamble of the Indian Constitution. तो sovereign, socialist, secular and democratic republic are the nature of the preamble of Indian Constitution. ये preamble के जो words हैं that we the people of India have solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, ये UN Charter के opening words से लिया गया who framed the Indian Constitution. So this has been incorporated by the Charter of the United Nations because this might have inspired the framers of our constitution to emulate the example. So speaking about the said words of the preamble of Indian Constitution, J. Bhagwati, while delivering the judgment, India Pradeep Jain V. Union of Indian observed that they embody the hopes and aspiration of the people. It is significantly to note that the preamble emphasizes that the people who have given to themselves the glorious document are the people of India. और उनको expression दिया to resolve the people to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. So in order to promote among all its citizen fraternity, assuring the dignity of all the individual and unity and integrity of the nation. बहुत in the written exam और UGC NET exam में बहुत बार पूछा गया है. The objective, the nature of the preamble are divided in these 5 parts: sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic, republic. So in the next video, I will provide a short lecture on the preamble of Indian Constitution. So preamble reflect the high purposes and noble objective of the framer of the Constitution. So जो concept है of human rights का under Indian Constitutions are needed the aims and objects of Indian Constitution. The Indian Constitution bear the impact of UDHR जो recognize किए गए by the Supreme Court of India. As in the Indian Constitution, Part 3rd of the Indian Constitution consists of fundamental rights. जो इन केशवंदा भारती स्टेट ऑफ केरला के केस में ऑब्जर्व किया गया that they are unable to hold these provisions to show that rights are not natural or inalienable rights. As a matter of fact, India was a party to the UDHR and that declaration describes some fundamental rights as inalienable. So in the case of Golaknath, the Supreme Court observed that fundamental rights are the modern name for what have been traditionally known as natural rights. So जो natural rights को fundamental rights के to equal consider किया गया. UDHR does not define the term human right. It refers कि equal and inalienable rights होने चाहिए to the members of the human family. जो framers थे Indian Constitution के were influenced by the concept of human rights and guarantee most of human rights contained in the UDHR. I will tell you in detail in the next video regarding this. UDHR कंटेन करता है सिविल एंड पॉलिटिकल एज वेल एज इकोनॉमिक, सोशल एंड कल्चरल राइट, जैसे कि मैंने अपनी प्रीवियस वीडियो में आपको एक्सप्लेन किया है. सो व्हाइल सिविल एंड पॉलिटिकल राइट हैव बीन इनकॉर्पोरेटेड इन पार्ट 3 ऑफ इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, इकोनॉमिक, सोशल एंड कल्चरल राइट हैव बीन इनकॉर्पोरेटेड इन पार्ट 4 ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. ह्यूमन राइट्स जो हैं अंडर इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन दे आर एज फॉलोज कि फंडामेंटल राइट्स एंड राइट टू फ्रीडम. These all 5 rights are incorporated in the Indian Constitution in categories. So I will provide you in detail regarding this in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this video.